Classic steak and Hasselback potato in 90 seconds or less. Start with freshly washed potato and set up on spoons like this. Slice the potato into 1/8 inch slices, not going through the bottom. Season the potatoes with salt, pepper, sage, and butter a baking tray. Drizzle the potatoes in extra virgin olive oil, throw them in the oven. To make garlic butter, take garlic slice, dice, and finely mince it. Put the garlic in a bowl, add a stick of butter, and mash and mix thoroughly. Grab your meat, generously season and rub with both salt and pepper. Add garlic butter to a hot pan. Sear off your steaks for about 2 minutes on each side. After searing, baste your steak in the garlic butter, and if needed, cook to preference in the oven. Once cooked, remove both the steak and the potatoes from the oven. Get ready to plate. After plating the potatoes and resting the steaks for 5 minutes, finish plating and enjoy. And that's how I made